Little angel reader.
Little angel reader.
English with Little Angel Reader. Level 1, Lesson 6. Listen, read, repeat. Water, 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 water.
Water.
What is the boy drinking? Water. He is drinking water. Water. He is drinking water. Who is drinking water? Who is drinking water? They are. They are drinking water. They are drinking water.
Water. Water.
The horse is drinking water. The horse is drinking water. The horses are running in the water. The horses are running in the water. The boy is in the water. The boy is in the water. Cat, cat. A cat, cat. Cats. What is the cat doing? What is the cat doing? The cat is sleeping. The cat is sleeping. It is sleeping. It is sleeping. The cat is drinking water. Yes, he is drinking water. Max, come and watch. Chris is drinking water from the tap. He's thirsty. One. I see one woman. She is running. One. I see one woman. She is running. One. 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 Two. I see two boys in the water. Two. I see two boys in the water. Two. Three. I see three cats. I see three cats. Meow. I see three boys and one girl. I see three boys and one girl. What are they doing? What are they doing? They are sitting. They are sitting. Four. I see four girls. I see four girls.
One, two, three, four.
Questions. How many? How many dolphins do you see? I see one dolphin. One. How many boys do you see? I see two boys. Two. How many children do you see? I see 3 children. 3. What are the children doing? They are jumping. How many apples do you see? I see 4 apples. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is the horse drinking water? Yes, it is. It is drinking water. Is the cat drinking water? Yes, it is. It is drinking water. Is the boy drinking water? No, he isn't. He is eating. Isn't. Is not. Is he drinking? No, he isn't. He's eating. Max, what are you doing?
I'm drinking water.
What is the boy doing? He is running. Is he running? No, he is not running. He is sitting. Max is a boy. This child is a boy. What is the girl doing? She's jumping into the water. The girl is jumping into the water. What is this child doing? What is he doing? He is running, jumping, and sitting. How many girls and cats do you see? I see 1 girl and 1 cat. How many cats do you see? I see 3 cats. Meow. Let's play. My turn. Max, do you have an apple? A red apple.
Here you are.
Thank you. I have a match. Apples. I have 2 apples. It's your turn, Max.
Do you have a balloon?
A balloon. A purple balloon. No, I don't have a balloon. Go fish. Go fish, Max. Do you have a boy? Do you have a boy?
No, go fish.
Okay. Ooh. Your turn.
Do you have water?
Do you have some water? Yes. Water, water. Or you can say, do you have a jug of water? Let's take a picture. Okay, your turn.
Do you have a man?
A man. Yes, I do. Here you are.
Thank you.
Now you have 2 men. 1 man, 2 men. Let's take a picture. My turn. Do you have a woman?
Sure, here you are.
Thank you. I have 2 women. Okay, Max, it's your turn now.
Do you have a boy?
A boy? Yes, I do. Here's a boy for you. Here you are. What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now you have two boys. Let's take a picture. Let's review. Let's review. Water. Cat. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? How many cats do you see? I see 1 cat. Child. Children. What are you doing? I am drinking water. Is the horse drinking? Yes, it is. It is drinking. The children are jumping. What's next? Homework. Do it now. If you like my lessons, you can thank me here. PayPal, littleangelreader@gmail.com. Like and subscribe, please. Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.